Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to the settings, enter lock screen and go to screen lock type. Unlock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: swipe, pattern, pin, password and none. Let's start with swipe. Now let's go to pin. Password. None. And in the end, pattern. Once in set, we can go to face unlock and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is Fingerprint Unlock. And our fingerprint scanner is right here. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show it to you because of the sensitivity of fingerprint scanner and the glass I've got my display covered with. But that's all of unlock methods available on this phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.